Hello, in today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for personalized interactions. So, ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on a GPT 3.5 architecture. It has been trained on a vast amount of data, enabling it to generate human-like responses of variety of purposes. ChatGPT can understand and respond to natural language input, making it an excellent tool for personalized interactions. ChatGPT works by using machine learning algorithms to analyze and learn from the input data it receives. It can generate response based on the context of the data conversation and the user input. ChatGPT has been designed to understand natural language, making it possible for users to have natural and seamless interactions with the system. Using ChatGPT to personalize interactions can provide several benefits. First, it can save time and effort, as user can quickly get the information they need without having to navigate complex websites or interfaces. ChatGPT can also provide personalized responses based on user input, ensuring that they can get information they need. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used in a variety of contexts, such as customer service, virtual assistant, and educational settings. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an exciting development in the field of natural language processing. It has the potential to revolutionize the way of how we react with technology and provide personalized experience for users. With its ability to understand natural language input, ChatGPT is poised to become an integral part of our daily lives. So I asked ChatGPT for some benefits of ChatGPT for personal interactions, and it gave me some benefits. So I encourage you to go to the ChatGPT site, ask it for yourself, see it by yourself, play with it, use it every day, and it can help you a lot. If you need some other informations or tutorials, we have it on our channel. And guys, that is for today's quick informational video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.